this hairstyle is inspired by Zoe Johnson from Grownish, the TV show. It's a very low tension and easy hairstyle to do, so here we go.
Tie beads.
So my hair has been silk pressed for about 2 or 3 weeks now, so please ignore the excessive amounts of flakes coming from my scalp. My scalp is going through it, but here I'm just combing through to make sure there's no knots and there's no tangles or anything, so it'll look smooth when I put it in a ponytail. So now I'm just creating the part I need for my braid. In the picture, she did a cornrow. I also did a cornrow, but it kind of looks like a French braid for some odd reason. So you can do a French braid or a cornrow. You can also do both sides. That might be kind of fun, but I chose to do one side to try to stick to the recreation as much as possible. So right now I'm just placing some edge control around the perimeter of the area that I'm about to braid. For this style, if your hair is straight and you want to keep your hair straight, just be careful with the products that you're using. If you use a water-based gel, it'll curl your hair back up. So make sure whatever products you're using are not water-based if you're trying to keep that straight look. So this part is kind of hard to see, but I'm kind of just looping the hair tie around the hair and securing it around itself to do this basically. So I hope you guys could see what I was doing. So here I'm just sectioning off a piece of the braiding hair because it's going to be wrapped around the ponytail holder at the end of the style. So I'm just going to tie it off, and yep, I'm going to hold it in my mouth because I couldn't figure out another way to hold it. So now I'm going to take 3 sections. Each section is going to have a little bit of braiding hair and a little bit of my hair. and I'm just going to braid down. And when I get to the end of my hair in the braid, I'm going to make sure I braid it tight and tuck my ends into the braid. You can see like at the end of the video, some of my hair is sticking out a little bit, but I don't really mind it. So it's your preference. If you want a neater braid, just be more conscious of it. If you don't really care like me, then just let it do what it's got to do. So now I'm just wrapping that piece that I sectioned off around the hair tie and covering the ponytail holder, and I'm going to take some bobby pins and just bobby pin it in place. I'm just playing with the braid to make it a little bit thicker, make it a little more juicy or whatever. And then I'm gonna do my edges off camera, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys how it turned out.